friend and my name na DJ Pico, where they represent Cartel Airwaves, online TV station and a radio station we based right inside Kuwait. Well, something come up, we make a decide for do this video, and I want to respond to some news we come up from we sister radio we na VOS we dey inside America. But before I respond to that day, I want to make a clear the ear to everybody say Cartel Airwaves, this we radio station where we open and TV station, not to person open them for we, now we open them for we self, not a political radio station, and it not answerable to nobody. We only open this radio for make sure say we pass on the relevant information to we brothers and sisters them, we na Sierra Leoneans them, who they live all around the world, more especially we young community who we dey so we na Kuwait. Because far too long Kuwait don't get a very bad name. When I say very bad name, all social media where you check, you find out say they must send audio or video about Kuwait, where some of the things that when they send self, not to even Kuwait, it happen. So now that's make we come and decide to make this platform a level playground for everybody. As I tell you now, we not answerable to nobody, and also nobody know the pay we month done for Sebambai, we dey collect salary from somebody, and we always stand for the truth, as we can always tell people and say Cartel Airwaves, the #1 pan salon business, so we stand for the truth. Okay, and before I go further, I will give now various telephone numbers them where you go get for try for call we if you feel say whatever thing we dey discuss or we dey bring out to people them, you get a doubt in them, you want to make sure say you get a proof, you go free for call we and send we message at any time. The first number na plus 965 515 74866. The second number again plus 965 6030 8594. The third number again plus 965 6683 4064. This now the number we go able for contact we forget the first-hand information about wetin dey happen na Kuwait. Okay, let's come now to the exact thing we want for can tell we family about. And this thing here so they deal with an interview where we been do with the ambassador where we get na Kuwait, we na Her Excellency Madam Aja Aissatou Thomas, we na the present ambassador inside Kuwait. We do this interview with him and we find out say we sister radio we na VOS, Voice of Salon, we dey inside America, we na one part we colleague journalist we na Mr. Lansana Sanko na the day na that radio day. It be get for interview somebody based on this we interview where we be interview the ambassador, and the person will be interview Mr. Patrick Sauvé. So and as I dey tell you, this interview I just want make you watch wetin Mr. Patrick Sauvé been talk by this interview where Mr. Lansana interview. Watch for yourself.
whether domestic or other expert or other international worker wey dey work na Sierra Leone, for let you know the facelift on the ground, wetin dey happen on the ground, the situation on the ground. But the ambassador tell you say e go na October e go dey, and e don go na the place 2 months. The detention wey dem dey call shelter na a last bus stop. If maybe don't go, they will not be for reach to that situation. Now, negotiation, part of your duty as an ambassador, if you're able to formulate policy, if you're able to negotiate, if you're able to communicate to your government, for let them, 100 member of the United Nations. Kuwait now the 111th member of the United Nations. Sierra Leone and Kuwait get bilateral and multilateral treaties under the Vienna Convention of International Treaty of 1863. That make the get ambassador that each country, Sierra Leone get ambassador that Kuwait get ambassador that Sierra Leone. But as an ambassador, and Mrs. Alpha and Man, they all do great job. Mr. Lunge get vast experience in Kuwait because he don't live there, he don't live in Kuwait, you know, from the time of Makaba. He don't live the trade and Escuma and government don't come, he don't pass, and he still did it. So
I can analyze for you, waiting, a talk. Way not to true at all. And as we did now also forgive people the for Santori, now I come back and do this video for make I tell you now the thing the way Mr. Patrick talk, we not to true thing. We also be the expect say we colleague journalists when Mr. Lansana himself for don't reach we as we all then at the same level of broadcasting. We dey make sure say we try for put Salone before, but I not see say he ever try for check on Cartelia waves. It's like himself own journalism way he dey do. It's like he dey look on just one part of the coin and enough for be so. As a journalist, always try for make sure say you balance your story where you dey get at. That is, you for look the two sides of the coin. If you don't hear something, the broadcaster and other radio, now you write for call you company journalist and tell and say, Mr. Man, I don't hear you now broadcast this thing. I get interest over this issue also. I go want for link with you now, make una tell me exactly what in the happen. Now so we feel say the journalists feel for day. But I not see Mr. Lansana when I will learned brother himself na a journalist, I not see you do that one. You don't hear now, eh? Waiting at some of the things the way he talk. Now we dey begin step by step. Number 1, Mr. Patrick say him be don live na Kuwait. He be don there so for long, from 2006. Yes, indeed. He be don live na Kuwait and he come there so with a company we carry them. What they call that company the First Kuwaiti. And First Kuwaiti na government project that they will be carried the first Sierra Leoneans them inside Kuwait. They call them First Kuwaiti. Yes, but when they can also, as you likely hear waiting himself say by the interview with the interviewer, he say himself been trying for make it get in your own organization for make a recruitment for carry people inside Kuwait. More he talk of visa 18. Well, see right now as I dey tell you so, this now one for the people we don't give you this kind of problem where we dey facing right now. When I say this kind of problem we dey facing, now you dey see say most of the people when they come now so then ten and they come under First Kuwaiti. Now they are the first people and they will begin for set some small confusion now so we make delicate today Salomon them we don't get seats for Sidon now so because when some of them come so manka fet party where they don't agree on per salary issue where they agree on so manka fet. So Maka Tawa say them for can go back. They pull some of them out and carry them go other side. When they go there, they then go do the same thing back. You know, all these ups and downs we don't take place during their own time. And this we brother, Mr. Patrick, they're not able to solve that problem there. As I tell you, they'll not be able to solve that problem there at all. E commode, God help him, he go freedom, he go open your NGO, himself say he want recruit people then. Waiting happen, waiting not happen. Well, according to him, you hear he talk, he say because of government come with some programs then to them. So based on anything they now make it not be able because of politics business. Well, if not somebody where they talk par in audio say he ready if not him there. If not somebody where they talk par this in interview where they tell people and say if not him as ambassador, if we don't make things easy, if we don't negotiate with the Kuwait government, well, why he not be able to negotiate with EU government by then 10 and day? For make sure say he can with people genuinely where problem not been there. The one when you host, when a salon, who say you day, you not able to organize things then day for make you able run you project so you be there. Instead of that, you decide for closer. Then now you rush up for take up the mantle of ambassador where you're not able for settle the one way na you host, you not able to settle am. Now, let we go to the other thing where they talk about where that again not true. It say Salon Kuwait get ambassador na Salon, and Salon we also get ambassador na Kuwait. Yes, that's why it's correct for say Salon get ambassador inside Kuwait, but Kuwait they not get nobody where they send na Salon as ambassador. If na lie at the line, then we can even them we can 2006 who side them visa come out na Salon them visa come out or na Kuwait then send all them passports them. All the people who me know say they travel come inside Kuwait, they passport them, then they send them direct, then they snap them, they send them direct na Kuwait. When they send them na Kuwait, from there, they pull the visa, they take the visa, then send them for you back na your country. Then from there, una buy ticket and travel come. So that's waiting with brother they talk so it's not correct. It's not correct at all. You self check along the line. You will not say it's not correct. Now, we brother also say, and we ambassador who we get this with Mamia. Mamia Aja, Isaac Thomas, let God bless you. And I believe say we Cartel Airwaves, we there for talk the truth. We need to back this mommy because of now we ambassador. If you do wrong now as I tell you so, we dey talk what her back. But for now, waiting they do when not true, let nobody know well the mommy in effort. They say we something good now for talk am. This we ambassador, it come now so, and when it come, we end up forget a meeting. As we brother say, we not ever the mommy not ever try for no waiting at the people a problem na wait. It just come na first and now they go pay visit na the shelter. When me they tell you say the mommy we ambassador we don't come, when he come now so he be get a meeting with all Sierra Leoneans them, and that meeting they been take place na Mabola. And this particular meeting what they tell you about so it been take place on the 18th of January 2019. For make you know say waiting and they tell you now to watch waiting be happen inside the meeting, and the one that will be there inside the meeting let you see the people there.
For we are State of Kuwait. Don't clap for us as they have against the all.
they say the mami not even come and try for know the problem of the people. That's why we talk so back again. It's not correct. Not to true. And again, we brother also talk say the mami it gets people where they work. And he named two people he say the union president when Mr. Alpha Vangao and also Mr. Lunge. And he also said Mr. Lunge don't turn at this country. Mr. Lunge don't Kanaya also from we late president Kaba Intem na Mr. Lunge Kanaya. I want make I tell me brother back again say that one the way they talk is not correct. Mr. Patrick, that particular one the way they talk so is not correct. Mr. Lunge na under we past president Anes Baikoma a regime na in Mr. Lunge Kanaya. That's na been 2015. 2015, Mr. Lunge Kanaya, he can begin work with these people away meets at the embassy. He can begin work with the people away meets at the embassy. So if they say that during late Pakaba in term, that one step back again, is not correct. And now, if they say now Mr. Lunge and Mr. Alpha and Web, now then they work. Well, what you want to tell me? You want to tell me say if you boss man where you work with in Bobo then they do well, who that they get the praise? Not to the boss man. Because now if you don't praise them two people and they if for better make if you don't talk say the ambassador they work. Because them two people and they work under the ambassador and without the embassy there is no union. And I want to make you know say any side who side the union they go, the embassy now they empower the union for make them go there. And if the union they go there, you see Mr. Lunge they represent the embassy. So if you dey praise Mr. Lunge and you dey praise Mr. Alpha, why you not for praise the ambassador? I don't know the reason. And the reason is because you be one for become the ambassador na this country. And we not say you not go be but for now, the one way the president don't send give you so we ready for work with him for now. And if they do good job, if like I tell you, if he do bad job, we can tell you we ready for send them out again. Say this we ambassador where they now so he know they work well for the people. But for now, that mommy he get interest for the people. He get interest for we the Sierra Leone and them. The mommy, the moment we call and say now this don't happen, he ready for rush go there. Plenty occasion and they way something they happen now. So as we call them, if even in no kind of moment they send a representative, now they kind people and they want. And whether mommy they do that kind of good work there, so we don't want to make somebody for your own selfish interest and decide say you want can for purely mommy mind. We can tell you we need it up and watch them kind of situation and we ready for stepping and now make we come in strong for let we respond to this interview where you be do. Coming to we sisters them na shelter. We sisters them na shelter. I want make you know say not to the first time and the mommy don't ever go there. We ambassador not to the first time and they don't ever go there. They don't go there several times. This time it just decide for use the media for let people that know say now it work. And even if you want for proof say the mommy be done they go there, check now we page you go see the updates then they where we they tell you who say the mommy don't go wait say waiting don't happen there. Check now we page. Now that day will be the expect say Mr. Lansana where a journalist for don't do before he do the interview with you, Mr. Patrick, if you don't go and call we and talk to we, let we give the facts then. We go to the shelter, the ambassador go there, and you talk say you not even try for take names of the picking them for know them problem them. I want make I tell you say even that one it happened that particular day, then take names of all my way they inside there, and also they ask them who stand and on can they and how long they not stay in that place they for. all that one take place that particular day. But if you want to prove me right, watch for yourself, make you see, make you know say wetin we Cartelia Waves we stand for na the truth and nothing but the truth.
And when you had a shelter, 1 month back, okay, yeah, you need what's the name?
1 month back, eh? I don't think they have 2 months now. So they have this.
Yes, the next one.
I mean, it's like about 10 days now.
Okay.
10 days.
1 month.
Okay. 1 month, 2 months. 1 month, 12 days.
Okay.
1 day.
And you also talk about your sister when Awana to Timbo say they know they take care of very well. The pikin, in fact, if they na the embassy, na they for leave. Who that's na the people where they live na embassy? The ambassador of SESEF no they live na the embassy. So wait to if you, Mr. Patrick, if na you na be the ambassador, so this speaking, if you don't make they stay na the embassy with the security then, na so you for don't do make it stay na the embassy with the security then. Because if you say the embassy na they for don't they for take care of and they, well, I want make you know say the Kuwait will be sabi trade with the Kuwait now, na 2 different things. And if you want to know, cross check, you go know the actual fact. I'll make you know say Kuwait now, the laws them of Kuwait are different. And the name where Africa be gets na Kuwait another again. Like trade. Now everything na Kuwait now, it's getting difficult every day. So I want make you know say we sister, then they well take care of her, despite he dey na the shelter, and he only dey na the shelter because of na that the Kuwait law say. Then say they no dey allow am for make them pull her out, like go the other side. Na them for monitor her. And all waiting and waiting necessary for make the pikin get the embassy don't get am for am. They don't care am go dey. The other items them they refuse to make the old land. They say no, it no go good for am because then they take care of her and they give am feeding day. And when take it for medication, the embassy they send motorcar, take the pikin, can go to hospital. If not for admit, then they admit am. Then from there later, when he don't recover, they can go back. And as I tell you, the mommy we don't go arrange for make them do the pikin in surgery and also for do the necessary treatment for them. They be don't arrange all landing. And as I talk to you, so the Amin in Grand Pekin, the Kuwait king in Grand Pekin, himself now the other person now will they take care of that Pekin day. So if you feel say that Pekin day he left out, he not left out. If you be left out, how many months you don't take? By right, they for don't send and go salon. But what you see is still there now, so now for let you know say in case even they na court, then they watch inside the case. And you as a lawyer, as what you say, when case they on, you take the person, you send and go out of the country. That there is no case. And therefore, the not go make Larry sister go, is still in there, we all the monitor for knowing they happen. And if you see delicate today, VOS talk about that with sister day, na Cartelia Waves, because now we go discover them, and also now we force now the people we broadcast about with sister and talk about a situation we make everybody know about.